Ma'am, my all answers are right, Mahreen.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, my all answer is right. Ma'am, my all answer is right.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Fatma
my
name
all
first.
answer is right, Sayyada.
Very good, sir. Saida, if
Ma'am, my all answer is right. Ma'am, my all answer is right, Muskan.
very good. So Mehreen, Muskan, Ifat, and Sayeda. That four students have matched the answer. So other student
Ma'am,
also have
my,
matched the answer.
ma'am, my answer is always right, Fatima. Ma'am,
Okay.
my answer is also right, Alwan equals.
Okay, very good. Shall I change now, or do you still want to match the answer?
Ma'am, change. Ma'am, change. Ma'am, no,
Okay.
ma'am.
Is there anybody who is matching the answer?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Faster.
Ma'am, okay.
Hmm. So question three also I think so we have started only.
Yes, Zainab, ma'am. Also.
Yes.
Ma'am, you put homework at E F G H I J. Ma'am, I
And
done half only.
okay, no problem. So last time I have explained you. So who will repeat that in rectangle? Which sides are same and how? What is L? What is B? How many L?
Ma'am, can I marry? Ma'am, can I say can I marry? Ma'am, can I say Ma'am, can I say
Sayyada.
marry? Can I say
Ma'am, can I
marry?
Sayyada?
Ma'am, can I cut
Ma'am,
my nails first? Ma'am, your
ma'am, can I
screen is not there. Ma'am, your screen is not there. Ma'am, can I marry?
Who's your
Ma'am, can
message?
I Sayyada?
Hey, wait.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
Sayyada.
also? Ma'am, can I marry?
Marine.
Ma'am, can I cut
Marine.
Ma'am,
Marine.
can I Sayyada? Ma'am, chat
Ma'am,
box is
can
available.
I marry?
Zainab,
Ma'am,
Marine.
ma'am,
I
chat box
write
is
the
available.
name in chat box.
Marine will say Marine. Marine say.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Say
Ma'am,
in this.
what, ma'am?
In this rectangle, how many which sides are same and what is L, what is B, that all.
Ma'am, in this rectangle, up and down side are same, and left and right. And
And,
up side
huh,
is length, and
hmm,
right and left is breadth.
yes. So means total in these four sides are there and from four, one and two. Two length are there. That's why here two is there. Okay, and two breadth. That's why two is common for L also and for B also. Okay, that's why this formula has come. Okay, because 2L and 2B. That's why this is the formula. So just revise this formula, then again we will continue. Just revise this formula.
I have revised Muskan. Ma'am, I have revised my.
Very good.
Zainab ma'am, tomorrow you told na that write all this G H I J in
Yes,
homework. I
yes,
write.
very good.
Ma'am,
So
I
now you have to answer. See, those who have done the homework, those who have tried, they just have to match the answer.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I also done.
So very good. I think so till D we had done no. Now
No
from E.
मैम आपने ई तक डी तक कराया था फिर ई एफ जी एच आई जे होमवर्क में दिया था
Again.
यस मैम
Now again write your name and I will say that who is today's captain. Ruhin, do you want to be today's captain?
मैम प्लीज कुछ
Ruhin or Lubna?
मैम लुबना
Okay. So they will write their name in the chat box and you have to tell me one name. So write your name in the chat box if you want to solve all this.
ओके मैम
So tell me the first name.
मैम यू टेल ना आज का मैम सैयदा
Okay. So Sayeda, you have to tell me that in rectangle E
Yes,
from the this table you have to see, that from this table in this E you have to see that how much is length and how much is breadth. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Huh.
5 is length and 2 is breadth.
Yes.
Uh,
So in next step, now what you will do? Here which sign?
ma'am, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7.
Yes.
7 multiplied by 2. And then answer is 14.
Okay. So whose answer is right? Just match your answer. Those who have done the homework.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, my
Ma'am,
answer Ma'am, my answer is right. Malik Faiza.
Very good,
My
Faiz.
answer is right, Muskan.
Very good, Muskan.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Inshia.
Very good, Inchi.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Alwani.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
my answer is right, Marin.
Yes, very good, Mehrin and Gulsum. Okay, now next name, and those who are writing with me, they can tell me that shall I wait or not, because I don't know who is writing with me. So if you are writing with
Ma'am,
me,
I
just
am writing with you, Inshia.
tell me to wait for how many minutes. Okay, that I can know. After you finish this, just tell me and fast write, that we can start next.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I sent today onwards homework
yes. Now shall
because
I rub this? Those who are writing, finish. Have you finished this, or shall I wait?
because I not sent yesterday because my net is my net is finished now. That's why I don't send homework. Can I say now or
Uh,
after online class?
After online class. Lubna, next name.
Kulsum.
Kulsum. Okay. Kulsum, you have to solve F.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me that in here in the table, in rectangle F, what is L and what is B? In F, F.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
See, the table is given here upside the question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, F1 no.
Yes.
L is 3 centimeter. First we have to write L कितना होता है और breadth कितना होता है.
हाँ,
L is 3 centimeter. Breadth is 6 centimeter.
हाँ. Then next step.
Formula लिखने का perimeter is equal to 2 multiply
हाँ.
फिर
Then
bracket में लिखने का L breadth.
हाँ. Then
यस फिर नीचे 2 लिखने का फिर मल्टीप्लाई लिखने का फिर ब्रैकेट बना के लिखने का कितनी लेंथ है तो पहले लेंथ लिखने का फिर है ब्रेथ लिखने का ब्रेथ कितनी है तो ब्रेथ 3 लेंथ 3 है और ब्रेथ 6 है तो
हाँ.
उस दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने का
Which symbol is given here, Kulsum?
यस
Which symbol? Which sign is this?
मल्टीप्लाई
Huh? This one.
प्लस
So add 3 plus 6.
यस 9
Then 2 nines are-
यस मैम
Then next step.
यस मैम 2 9s are 80.
Yes. So now match your answer, other students.
My answer is right, Inchia.
Very
My
good.
answer is right, Kasmali. Fatima. My answer is right, Muskan. My
Very-
answer is right, Kul. Ma'am, my answer is right, Fatima.
Okay, very good. Now next, so Lubna, tell me next name.
Ma'am, Muskan.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Muskan, you to tell me about G. That in G,
Yes.
how much is length and how much is breadth?
Length is 4 and breadth is 6. In bracket, we have to write 4 plus 6. 4
Yes,
plus 6, 10. To multiply by 10 equal to 20 centimeter.
very good, excellent. So other student, just match your answer.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Ma'am, my answer is right. India.
Very good. So those
Ma'am,
who
my
are
answer is right.
Answer is right, Fatima.
okay. So shall I wait or shall I change now?
Change.
Ma'am, change. Ma'am, change.
Okay. Next name, Lubna.
Oi. Ma'am, Faiza.
Okay. Faiza, you have to tell me about H.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, length is 5
Yes.
and breadth is 6.
Hmm. Next step.
Both 12. 2 multiplied by 12.
12.
11, ma'am, sorry. 11.
Yes, very good. Then
And 2 multiplied by 11, 22.
very good.
Ma'am, my
Who's
answer
answer?
is right, Muskan.
Ma'am, answer is right, Mary.
Yes,
Ma'am, my answer is right, Alanya Kulso.
very good.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Fatima.
Very good.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Sayed. Ma'am,
Very,
my answer is right, Kasman Ifat.
very good. Okay, I think so 6 or 7 student told me. So I think so other students have doubt. So please other student ask the doubt because only 6 to 7 student told me that their answer is
Ma'am, my
right.
answer is right. Ma'am, my answer is right, Insha.
Okay. So 8 student. Other students, ask the doubt. I'm giving you time. You can ask the doubt fast. Okay, next name Lubna.
Ma'am, Inshia.
Okay, Inshia, you to solve this. So tell me in I what is L and what is B.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in I, length is 8 and breadth is 6.
Yes,
And we have to add 8 plus 6.
yes.
Ma'am,
So 8,
14.
yes. Then
14.
yes.
2 multiplied by 14. Wait a minute. Ma'am, 2 multiplied by 14 equals to 28.
Very good. Now match your answer, everyone.
Ma'am, my answer is
Answer
right,
is right, Inshia.
Ma'am, my
Ma'am,
answer
my
is
answer
right,
is right,
Alanya
Kasman
Kulso.
Ifat.
Very
Ma'am, my
good.
answer is right.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Faiza.
Very
Ma'am, my
good.
answer is right, Marin.
Very good.
Ma'am, my answer is
Right,
right, Muskan.
Very good. And other students, I'm giving again the time. Please ask me. You just have to tell me that from this table, this is the table, this is the question. So from this table, you just have to see. Like if I'm asking about
My
rectangle,
answer is
then in this rectangle G, the 4 is L and 6 is B because here L is written and here B. That is heading of the table. So will you ask the doubt to me, please?
yes, ma'am.
Those who have doubt, please ask me right now.
Ma'am.
Do you have any doubt, all the girls?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I have no doubts.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have no doubt. Kasman Ifat.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Faiza.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have doubt. Right, Mahareen.
Okay. हाँ Alisha no?
Right, Muskan.
नहीं, just now who was that I have doubt? Alisha or who?
Ma'am, Ruhin.
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 Okay. Ruhin asked the doubt.
Ma'am, I don't understand this one.
So see here, what is the heading?
Rectangles.
Perimeter of this, that perimeter of rectangle you have to find. And which shape is this? Here I have drawn no this shape. So which shape is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. And in rectangle, these and these both are same, no?
Yes.
See that day, I think so. Yesterday only I have explained this one. This is just explanation, that this is rectangle. So here what is written, that in rectangle,
Opposite sides are equal.
opposite sides are equal, means this one and this one, up and down, that are same.
Yes.
Then right and left are same, and right and left are breadth, and up and down, that is L, means length. Okay, so there are two length and two breadth. Okay, so perimeter of formula is 2L plus B. This is formula which you have to learn. Okay, this formula we have to use.
Okay, ma'am.
So Ruhin, just learn this formula. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
then I am explaining that in that formula how we will put. See, this is that. This is the formula which I have written. See here, the same formula I have written. Okay, Ruhin, see the same formula I have written, and the same
Yes,
formula
ma'am.
you have to put L also, and you have to put B also. Okay.
Yes.
So now next I, then J last. Then we will start question number 4. Now next name Lubna.
Mehreen.
Mehreen, but her turn has come, I think so.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, my turn has not come.
Okay. So tell me in J, L and B.
Ma'am, length is 7 and breadth is 9.
Okay. Then next step.
7 plus 9, 16.
Very good.
And 16 multiplied by 2 equal 32.
Very good. So match
Ma'am,
your
my
answer.
answer is right, Albaji.
My answer is right. Ma'am, my answer is right, Mahareen.
Right.
Okay, 4 students.
My
Very good.
answer is right.
5 students.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Very good. 6 students.
Ma'am, my answer is
Ma'am, my
right.
answer
Okay, 7 students. Very good. So
Ma'am,
7
my
students,
answer
Ma'am,
is right,
answer is
Insha.
right, Sayyada.
8 and 9 students. Okay. So
Ma'am,
only,
my answer
Ma'am,
is right,
Sayyada also.
Inshia. Ma'am, my answer is right, Inshia.
okay. I have counted you 9 students. Then other only 9 students. What about other students?
Answer is right, Sayyada.
Very good. But if you have doubt, please ask me.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Sheikh
Alicia.
Lubna.
Very good. Okay, so let's start. And even I will send all these answers. I have already written, I will send PDF today, that you can match your answer carefully. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my all answer is right, Kasman Ifar.
Ma'am, my
Very
all answer is right, Muskan.
Ma'am, my all answer is right, Mahareen.
Ma'am, my all answer is right, Albaji Kulsum.
very good. Very good.
Ma'am, my all answer is right, Malik Faiza.
Very good. हाँ. So now
હજી
you
નાનીની સવાર નથી પડી લગતી હે ને હજી નાનીની સવાર પાડી નથી હે ઠીક
so you all can read this heading together. Okay.
લગી કે તો બેન સુતા હતા મને બી મોડી ઉઠી
The sides of the square. What we have to do?
Beta, whoever's mic is this, please mute their mic. That the girl.
Ma'am, Malisha.
Okay. Alicia, just take care of your mic. Huh? Okay. Now again, you can read this heading together. That I can explain you.
The perimeter is given this square.
So the perimeter is given. Means answer is already given. Perimeter. That square A. So total is 28 that way. Okay. Answer is given. Answer is already given of perimeter. Like this is that formula if you remember. Or shall we revise? If you remember this question too.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this question too, we use this formula.
Ma'am, can you show the
Wait. So just revise this formula.
Ma'am, I have revised this one.
Other student, please revise this formula. Then only you will understand that. Question 4.
Ma'am, I have revised. Your answer is right.
Ma'am, I have revised.
I have revised.
Very good. Those who have revised. So now this only we will use. Okay. So just remember this. So in this question 4, we will use the same formula. Here it is written. This one. This formula you already know, no? This one which you have revised.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Multiply by length of side.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is perimeter of square which is equals to 4 multiplied by length of side. But here in the question it is given that perimeter is already given. Here in the heading you can see perimeter is given. Means this perimeter is given.
Given है उसमें आपका square.
Yes, ma'am.
तो उल्टा है कि पहले ये दिया था, ये ढूंढना था, अभी ये दिया है और ये ढूंढना है. Okay, understood the situation?
ma'am पर ढूंढे
Yes, ma'am.
तो जब ये चीज दी होती है, ये ढूंढनी होती है ना, तब ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में 4 है, उसको वो साइड भेजना है पेरीमीटर के बाजू में. तो ये साइड ये अकेला है, लेंथ ऑफ साइड, एंड पेरीमीटर ये साइड है, और ये 4 मल्टीप्लिकेशन में से पेरीमीटर के बाजू में डिवीजन में आ जाएगा. See, I am explaining. These 4 will come here beside perimeter, and that also in division. Okay, perimeter के बाजू में division में आ जाएगा. Okay, that way. Now I am explaining using shape. So which shape is this?
Square.
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 Now let's take example.
Yes,
In this first example, total is given 28. Okay, 28. This is example A. So 28 divided by 4. Here you can see hint is also given. So 28 divided by 4.
20. Yes, ma'am. 4 7 are 28.
28 divided by 4.
7. 7.
So 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So now find the perimeter of this.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
28 or not?
मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Perimeter is 7.
28. 28.
Yes, very good, Ifat.
28. 28. 28.
हाँ, ये जो
Excuse
7
me,
है
ma'am.
ना,
Ma'am, I
7
मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
I'm explaining, listen. So this 7, that is length of side. एक साइड जो होती है स्क्वायर में कितनी साइड होती है? In the square how many sides are there?
4 sides.
4. And that 4 are equal or not? Same होती है, same size की और नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. It's equal.
Yes. Side equal side.
हाँ, means one is 7 centimeters, so another is also 7 centimeter. Third is also 7 centimeter and fourth is also 7 centimeter. And perimeter means border. Yes, a perimeter means
Border.
हाँ,
Border.
Perimeter means border.
Border. Perimeter means border.
border. हाँ. So those who have doubt, just keep this thing. Perimeter means border. So now add this border and tell me. Perimeter मतलब border. तो border पूरी count करो.
Ma'am, Zainab ma'am.
Yes.
We count all 4 borders.
Yes. पहले ये काउंट करनी है, फिर ये count करनी है, फिर ये वाली बॉर्डर, फिर ये वाली बॉर्डर.
Ma'am, we have to plus now.
You have to add.
Ma'am, answer is 28.
Answer is 28.
Ma'am, answer is 28.
Yes, very good.
मैम मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Perimeter is given here. Perimeter is border, no total of border.
यस मैम.
हाँ, तो बॉर्डर यहाँ पे दिया है टोटल इसका कि
यस.
ये चारों का मिलके सपोज 40 होता है. 40 चारों का मिलके सेम है, तो एक कितने की, एक कितना होगा? तो 40 हुआ टोटल.
40, 80, 90.
मैम तो क्या करने का था आंसर?
4 हिस्से, 40 के 4 इक्वल हिस्से करने हैं.
160.
नहीं नहीं
मैम
नहीं.
तो डिवाइड करने का.
Yes. Like suppose if I am giving 40 rupees to all four. Yes. So 10, 10, 10 and 10. तुम लोग 4 फ्रेंड्स हो और कोई तुमको 40 रुपीज दे, तो तुम चारों कितने लोगे इक्वली?
10.
Ma'am, 10.
So that way your total is given and you have to find this. So you have to use this formula.
Yes.
That you have to divide by 4.
4 divided by.
Okay? You have to divide by 4 all these perimeter. Understood?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Because how many sides is अभी एग्जाम्पल दिया है ना कि मैं तुम 4 फ्रेंड हो, तुमको 40 रुपीज दूं, तो तुम कितने कितने चारों लोगे?
10, 10. 10, 10.
हाँ, वैसे yes.
10.
Ma'am, we have to divide these numbers to 4.
हाँ.
We have to divide 40 divided by 4.
Yes, divide by 4.
Divided by 4. Ma'am.
Because total how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. That's why.
4 sides are there. We have to divide with 4.
Okay, so let's try B. So who will tell me in square B?
Ma'am,
What
can
is-
I tell Kulsum?
Ma'am, can I marry?
Ma'am, can I Kulsum?
Say-
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
cannot.
can I marry?
Ma'am, can I Kulsum?
Ma'am, can I marry?
Ma'am, can I Muskan?
Say
Ma'am,
together.
can I marry?
Ma'am, can I Kulsum?
Say together what is the perimeter in B? In square B,
Perimeter
what
is 40.
Ma'am, perimeter is 40.
Perimeter is 40.
And answer is 10.
Answer is 10. 10 cm and perimeter is 40.
Ma'am, 10 centimeter.
Okay. Now everyone will
Ma'am.
mute the mic.
Ma'am, ma'am. Ma'am, I give first answer, then we all. Ma'am, Taiba turn is not come.
हाँ, okay.
Sheikh Lubna.
Okay. Now next question. In this table P is given. So what is that P?
Perimeter. Perimeter.
Ma'am, perimeter.
Yes.
Perimeter
Means here what is given, that is what? Perimeter. Okay, all these are perimeter. Okay, you have to understand the table, that in table what is given. So in table what is given?
Ma'am, in table there is given. We have to find the square, and perimeter is given only.
Yes, very good. So in this table perimeter is already given. Okay, this P means perimeter. Now C. So question C. Next name, Lubna.
Ma'am, Taiba.
So Taiba, tell me in this table where C is written, where this 64 is there. So what is this 64? What is the heading given?
Ma'am, anyone may remove.
Perimeter in centimeter.
Very good, excellent. So 64 is perimeter. Okay. So now here perimeter, what we will write for question C? क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे?
64.
Very good. 64. Now what we will do, Taiba?
Multiply.
Here what is given? Which symbol?
Divide.
So 64 divided by 4. Okay, so we will divide. 64 divided by 4. So Taiba, tell me how many shall I take?
4.
4, how many? Here 6 is
4
there.
ones are 4.
4 ones
Yes.
are 4.
Yes, then
4 zeros are 0. Answer.
hey, Kulsum, your turn is not there. Taiba is speaking. Taiba say.
And नीचे 2.
Yes, then
4. 4. Up 4
yes,
और नीचे 24.
very good. So your answer is 0. Okay, so what is the answer upside?
Excuse me, ma'am.
14.
Ma'am, 4 6 are 24. No. Here is done. What is written 24?
Yes, very good.
It will be up. 6 will come.
Yes.
Ma'am, Muskan is giving.
No, every time, when students are saying wrong answer, so I write wrong answer only. I don't correct them because you only have to correct each other. I can't correct. So all the students will correct each other.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Muskan.
Very good.
My answer is right, Marine.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Kulsum.
Ma'am, my answer is right,
Okay. So now, do you want to try DEF first? Okay, you try DEF in homework using this, that perimeter divided by 4, and write that perimeter from this table and divide by 4. Okay? And
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
showing an activity which is done by Inshia. She has done this, you can see.
Oh, wow.
And I'm explaining also how she is done, and there is one little bit mistake, so that also I'm telling. So very good Inshia that she has drawn this camel using straight line, because I said no, you have to use straight line, even this page only. So she has used this page, which is very good. So use this page only. Now I'm telling you that perimeter means what? Border. Yes, perimeter means
Border.
suppose if we are starting from here, so border means these, we have to add. We have to add all these border.
Ma'am, but I not have max page, then I.
Take from your neighbor, then brother, sister. So now I'm saying that from here if we are starting, so this is 3. I'm changing the color. This is 3. Then here 2. 2 boxes you can see. Then here also 2 boxes. Here 8 boxes. Here 1 box. Here 3 box. Then here she forgot. You can see here. This one. So here what we should write? This. Here she is,
2.
then here 3, then here this one. Only this, huh? So 1.
Ma'am,
Okay.
1.
Then here also
1.
1. Then here
1.
she has written 2. Then here again, here she has not written anything. Here. This one line, huh? Here she has not written anything. So how many boxes are there in this line?
Ma'am, 3.
3 are there. These lines. See, we have to start from here. From here.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4.
2 she has written. Here also 3 she has written. Then here also she forgot. Here. So 1. Here also 1. And down she has written 2. Then again here she forgot. So here how many?
Ma'am, 4. 4. 4. Ma'am, 4. 4.
Then here 1 she has written. Here she also written. Here 1. But again here 2 1 are there. No? 2 1 should be there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you send the homework in the group.
So this way you have to do this activity. Using straight line, do any one picture in this frame. And
Ma'am, but you send the homework in the group.
first mute your mic, everyone. I will count 3. Otherwise, I will only leave the class. Let me finish. Let me finish. Mute your mic, everyone. So let me finish that border you have to count, which is perimeter. Perimeter means border, and these boxes we have to count. Boxes means area. Okay, so we will count boxes also. 1 box, 2, 3. Count with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11,
12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
So boxes are area and border is perimeter. Okay, is this clear? Border is perimeter. Boxes are area.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so we have to write the number of boxes, no?
Yes, number of boxes that is area. Number of boxes that is area, and a border that is perimeter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Inshia. Okay, because she has submitted first, which is very good. But correct your mistake and then send the pic to me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I send today. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you send homework in the group.
Every day I am sending only. That day I have sent that PDF also. On Saturday I think so I have sent that PDF.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
everything I am sending only.
Ma'am, but tomorrow homework has not came.
Because orally I said that from that PDF you have to try that sum.
Ma'am, today come.
You have to try that other sum of question 4 from that PDF only, which I have sent on Saturday. Saturday or Monday, I don't remember which day I have
Ma'am,
sent.
we have to B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G पूरा कर डालने का है.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, no doubt.
Then
No,
also
no,
just see that after drawing that on that box page, just count the border that is perimeter and count number of boxes that is area. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a fantastic day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, have a fantastic